Hello, my name's Philippa from Get Plant Based, and today I'm going to show you how to make simple Seitan. This can be used as a plant-based jerky, or you could even use it as kebab meat. Let's get started. So you can get fácil from Holland Barrett's, looks like that. It's 200 grams of fácil wheat gluten. Pour that into the bowl. Next we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion granules, a teaspoon of ground coriander. I'm going to give mine a bit of a different flavour using hot peri peri. You can use whichever flavour you are feeling, but this is going to give it a nice zesty spice. 1 teaspoon of peri peri powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can also use smoked paprika if you like, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Just give all of this a nice stir, making sure everything is combined equally. 200 ml of warm water. I'm using liquid aminos. You can use soy sauce or tamari. And that is 4 teaspoons. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of Marmite. Just mix that all in nicely together. Takes a bit of mixing because the Marmite is quite thick, but you need to make sure that it's all mixed in well. Bring that back. Make a bit of a hole in the middle. Pour while mixing. It's going to be stiff, but you just got to keep going. And use our hands and get it all together. Here on the surface, and you're going to knead it for about a minute or two. If you see, when you pull it apart, it's quite stretchy, which is good. That's what you want. Using that, you gotta just keep on pounding it. Boil the kettle into a steamer. Okay, so we want some cling film. We're going to pop that in there and wrap it up nice and tight, and then wrap it in some greaseproof paper, folding the edges. Place it into the steamer and let it steam for 30 minutes on a medium-high heat. Okay, so once this is cool enough to handle, we're going to take it off the stove and I'll show you what it looks like. So there it is there. We're going to keep it in the cling film. Once it is completely cooled down, place it in the fridge and leave it there overnight. Okay, so the Seitan has been sitting in the fridge overnight. And let's take this plastic off. First of all, using a julienne peeler, you just slice off the pieces, and you have nice paper thin yumminess. You could actually use this to make kebab, or you could just have it as a snack. The best way to store this is just keep it as a whole block and shave off pieces as you need it. What you could do is get a bit of the seasoning that you used, sprinkle a little bit on top, and there you go.